This is a video of all my four-wheelers and dirt bikes and stuff. First up, this is my SSR 125 TR pit bike, 2013. This is my 2001 Yamaha Bear Tracker. This is 2005 Flywing dirt bike. I'm not quite sure if this is a little Chinese thing. Here's my 200X with a board out 185S motor, board out to 200. Pretty quick, no clutch. And there's one other thing. Just picked this little Suzuki up the other day from the same guy I got that little Flywing dirt bike from. Traded it for an old scooter that didn't run. I'm told it runs and it tries to start good, but it's gonna be a little work to fix it probably.